What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode from BackYardBoyz. In this episode, we're gonna be prepping the car for show season. Summer's upon us and we gotta get this thing looking spotless. In this episode, we're gonna throw on some rear spacers, get everything that we painted polished up, and take out all the dirt from the paint, and I have a little run right here. I'm gonna take that out, show you guys how I take those out. And yeah, that's about it. Let's get right to it. First things first, we're gonna wipe down the car right now so I don't have any dust on it. So when I do go to sand it, I'm not gonna scratch the car, and after that we're gonna mask off all the moldings, the headlight, and all the little pieces around. That way when we sand, so we don't sand the pieces we don't need to sand. Let's start. Alright guys, so that is gonna be a wrap for the quarter panel. Well, I'm gonna actually wax it once I'm done with this. Once I'm done with the whole car, I'm gonna wax the whole car. But before I wipe it down, come take a look of how that looks. That is like glass. Yeah, it is pretty darn good. We still have a lot of work to do. I use 3M products. They're my favorite products. I don't know, I've had the best results with these. So we're gonna continue working. We have a lot of work. We got the door, the fender, the rear bumper, and the hood left. So let's keep going. Alright guys, this is the most satisfying time. This is the moment of truth right now. What do we have here? Here's the fender parts. There's one. This is the upper one that goes right over here. And here's our bottom one. Let's put these on. Alright, so we got 3 panels polished for now. The front fender, the door, and the rear quarter panel. They're looking pretty darn good. We have put on the belt molding and we have put on that fender molding. We still have to buff the rear fender and the hood, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. Right now I'm going to wash out all the buffing compound and all the cracks and all the seals. That way it doesn't dry overnight. Alrighty guys, we have gotten all the compound off the vehicle, and we got a super exciting thing in the mail today. Boom, BackYardBoyz stickers. We're gonna put them on this quarter glass right now, wipe it clean, wipe it dry, and put them on. Let's head right on to it. Alright guys, so we got the stickers on. They're beautiful, very small, very subtle, but the little red YouTube logo matches the taillights, matches the R back here, and it just looks perfect. I love it. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow because it's getting late on us. That light just turned on, so peace out. See you tomorrow. Alright guys, next day here, and we got the car inside the garage because it is extremely hard to buff a car out in the sun or in the shade because you can't really see any of the dry spots or anything. We did get a little bit of buffing done, but there's a lot of dry spots, a lot of imperfections on the car. So we're gonna get all those out right now, and let's continue doing it. Alright guys, now that we got this side polished out with the number 1 pad, we're still gonna have to go with the number 2 and a number 3 pad to get it no swirl marks, get it perfect. But before that, I'm gonna show you guys how I take out runs. So when I was clearing it, I got a run, a pretty nasty run right over here. So what I do is I get a brand new razor blade and make sure it is brand new because you don't want any kind of scratches from it or any kind of, I don't know, it just does not work as good as a brand new one. And I start cutting it down like so. Take a look. Like so, I cut it off and I get it to as perfect as I can without blocking it. So right now, all I can feel is basically the difference between the shiny and the matte. That's all I'm feeling right now. So the run is basically gone right now, but you can't polish right on top of this because you will see all the lines from the razor blade. So now I'm gonna hit this with a 1500 block, and I'm gonna go 2000, 2500, and 3000, and then we're gonna buff it from stage 1, 2, and 3, and this will be completely gone. Let's do it. Alright guys, and that is it on how you remove a run. As you can see, this is perfect. You can't tell nothing. I mean, I don't know, you can't really. So yeah, the run is basically completely gone, and I still have to polish it with a 2 and a 3. That way there's gonna be no swirl marks. But that is that for now. Let's continue on that side of the car, the passenger side, and start polishing it with a 2 and a 3. Then we continue to the rear bumper, and let's keep going.
Alright guys, so that is going to be a wrap for this video. We got the whole car detailed, we got the whole car, everything cleaned up, and on the way here it started raining, but I'm still gonna make an outro for this video. Let's check out this car. Look at that thing, oh my goodness. Absolute neck snapper, I'm telling you. This car is officially ready for show season, and it is going to be at Stancewars July 13th in Seattle. So if you guys see me, be sure to come up to my car, take a picture. I don't know, come up to me, don't be shy. Look at that, man. Let's take a look at what I polished. That's the door, quarter panel, front fender. I got the run out of the hood. Let's check out the inside. Man, that is clean. Clean, clean, clean. Look at that. You got the air suspension unit. Everything is clean. Let's go on the other side. Check that out. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Be sure to smash that like button. Make sure you got your post notifications on and subscribe, because the next video is something you will not want to miss. Next video is the price reveal for this car. I'll catch you guys on that video. Peace out.